a ball full of ice and fire. If I hit the ice, it melts. If I study hard, I will pass. If I were rich, I would buy a Ferrari. If I had studied hard, I would have passed. Why am I even saying this? Actually, I am sharing my regrets. I am sharing my wishes. I am explaining cause and effect. But most people can't do that because they don't know about conditional sentences. If you are one of them, then you must learn conditional sentences once and for all. Conditional sentences are important because they help us express our wishes, share our regrets, and predict outcomes. But without them, your language becomes flat, one-dimensional. But if we learn conditionals, we can imagine, we can persuade, we can communicate with depth. And that's why conditionals matters so much. That's why conditional matters so much. But conditionals might be confusing, right? Because zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. On top of that, type 1 is called zero conditional. Type 2, first conditional. Confusing. To make it so simple, just apply this hack. Type 1, -1, zero conditional. Type 2, -1, first conditional. Type 3, -1, second conditional. Type 4, -1, third conditional. So easy, right? In case you don't know, I have already discussed all 4 types of classic conditionals in my previous video. I'll link the video in the description. Please do watch this. By the way, a quick recap of other conditionals. Type 1, zero conditional. If you heat the ice, it melts. Fact factory, science lab English. Type 2, first conditional. If you study hard, you will pass. Real life possibilities and teacher's favorite. And now type 3, second conditional. If I were rich, I would buy a Ferrari. Only imagination. Perfect for shower thoughts. Daydream. Now type 4, -1, third conditional. If I had studied hard, I would have passed. It talks about regret English. So that's all about conditionals. 4 types of classic conditionals. And now let's straight dive into mixed conditionals. Mixed conditional is the boss of all conditional. It is the scariest boss level conditional. But don't worry. I will make it so simple, so easy for you that you will never forget. Guaranteed. Mixed conditionals. There are two types of mixed conditionals. Type 1. Okay, before talking about type 1, type 2, let me explain mixed conditional. Mixed conditional is like time traveling English. And it mixes past, present, future, like Jhalmuri of West Bengal. Have you heard about that? So it's same, exactly same, like that. Now let's discuss 2 types of mixed conditional. Type 1, where past affects present. For example, if I had studied hard, then I would be successful. Another example, if I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor. If I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor. But I am not. But I didn't study. Past, I didn't study. That's why I'm not a doctor. Present, past affected the present so badly. And to make it more memorable, imagine a story. I am in the Jhalmuri shop. Dada, Jhalmuri. I'm thinking about my past, regretting. If I had studied medicine, I would be Dr. Jeet, but I am now Jeet Jhalmuriwala. So sad. I'm not a doctor now. Instead of prescribing medicine, I am prescribing Jhalmuri. Jhalmuri. So sad. And now type 2. Type 2, exactly opposite. Here, present affects past. Unreal present affects past. In the type 1, what happened? Past affected present. Here, present affects past. For example, if I were smarter, I would have passed. If I were smarter, I would have passed. But I'm not smart. I'm not smarter. Present. That's why I would have failed yesterday. Sorry, I failed yesterday. It is past. So present, I were not smart. I'm not smart. Present affected the past. I failed test. Imagine I'm a student and crying with my result and saying, if I were Einstein, I would have aced the examination. Aced means doing well. So if I were Einstein, I would have aced the examination. But now I am crying with my result and eating jhalmuri with tears. Ma, I failed. So that is the story about type 2 conditional. Now, quick tip to remember 2 types of mixed conditional. You have to focus on, not focus, you have to think about like that. Mixed conditionals are like your brain saying that if my past had been different, my present would be different. Repeating, if my past had been different, my present would be different. And in type 2, your brain is saying, if my present were different, then my past would have changed. If my present were different, my life would have changed. So that is the easy tip to remember. And now, to sum it up, let's rhyme. 0 facts. First, real future. Second, dreams and imagination. Third, regret. Mixed conditional, time travel English. Jhalmuri English. So, I have discussed mixed conditionals, and here's your challenge. You will comment 2 sentences with each type of mixed conditional, with two types of mixed conditional, and I will check them and tell you if you are traveling English correctly or not. And remember, if you practice every day, you will become fluent forever. Remember that.